Cartilage. Cartilage is a specialized type of dense connective tissue designed to give support, bear weight, and withstand tension, torsion, and bending. Now, the general feature of cartilage. Cartilage support the region of the body that require flexibility. It is an avascular tissue. However, the cartilage receives its nutrition by diffusion from the vessels in the perichondrium. It is also a non-nervous structure. Cartilage also has a poor regeneration capacity. After any destruction due to any injury or disease, the defect in cartilage are usually filled in by the fibrous tissue. Cartilage is more widely distributed in fetal life than in adult. The greater part of the skeleton is cartilaginous in early fetal life. The end of most of the long bone are cartilaginous at the time of birth. In adult, cartilage is located in external ear, nose, in the joints, covering the end of most of the bone and movable joint. Here it is known as articular cartilage. In the form of costal cartilage, where it connects the rib with the sternum. In larynx, in epiglottis, where it acts as a flap, keeping food out of lung. In respiratory tract, in trachea, as a cartilaginous ring, which open the air tubes. In intravertebral disc, pubic symphysis, and articular discs such as menisci in knee joint or in TMJ. So these are the locations where cartilage are present in adult. Perichondrium. Cartilage is covered externally by a dense connective tissue sheath known as perichondria. This perichondrium is absent in fibrocartilage and in articular cartilage. Articular cartilage is a type of hyaline cartilage which are present at the joints. This perichondrium has two layers, outer fibrous layer which is highly vascular and made up of dense irregular fibrous connective tissue, and an inner chondrogenic layer which is made up of cells. This perichondrium has cells which can regrow cartilage to some extent if cartilage is damaged. Components of cartilage. Cartilage consists of cell, fibers, and ground substance. Cells which are present in cartilage are the mesenchymal cell, which differentiate into chondroblast. Chondroblast produce the intercellular matrix as well as the collagen fiber that form the intercellular substance of the cartilage. The chondroblasts which get entrapped in the matrix become chondrocytes. These are the chondrocytes which get entrapped in the matrix. Now fiber. Cartilage consists of both collagen and elastic fiber. Ground substance is made up of proteoglycans. It is a complex molecule containing protein and carbohydrate. Now cartilage growth. Cartilage display two types of growth, oppositional and interstitial. In case of oppositional growth, the chondroblasts deposit matrix on the surface of pre-existing cartilage. It results in increasing in the width. And in interstitial growth, there is increase in the length in which chondrocyte divides and secrete matrix from or within lacuna. Here, the new cartilage is formed within the existing cartilage by division and differentiation of chondrocytes. Now, classification of cartilage. Cartilages are of three types: hyaline, elastic, and fibrocartilage. You have read about them during your general anatomy classes. Areas where these three cartilages are present. Hyaline cartilage is present in epiphyseal growth plate in the form of articular cartilage on the ends of long bone. as coastal cartilage in ribs, in respiratory tract, in trachea and bronchi, and in larynx. Elastic cartilage is present in pinna, external auditory meatus, auditory tube, in cartilage of larynx like epiglottis, arytenoid, corniculate, cuneiform. These are the cartilage of larynx. Fibrocartilage is present in intervertebral disc, pubic symphysis, and in the form of articular disc in certain joints like temporomandibular joint, sternoclavicular joint. Hyaline cartilage. In hyaline cartilage, perichondrium is present except the articular cartilage. The hyaline cartilage is characterized by the presence of highly basophilic homogeneous matrix. This is the homogeneous matrix, and this matrix appear homogeneous because the fibers present here, they have a same refractive index as of ground substance. So there is no demarcation between the fibers and the ground substance. So in histology slide, you are not able to see the fibers. You are able to see the cells. And these cells are encapsulated in a group of 2 or 4 cells. You can see these are the cells which are encapsulated in a group of 2 or 4. You can see here. The matrix around the cell is brighter and deep in color than the other area, and this matrix is known as territorial matrix, which surround the group of cell. These two group of cell are separated by a light color matrix which is known as interterritorial matrix. You can see this dark color matrix which surround the cell is known as territorial matrix, and this is interterritorial matrix, light color. And these are the chondrocytes which are present in lacuna. This is a pic of the slide which we have in our department. This is a slide of trachea, and you can see this is the hyaline cartilage. Now you can see these are the cell nest, and around them this is the territorial matrix, and this is hyaline cartilage. This is another slide, and this is hyaline cartilage. Now, elastic cartilage. Perichondrium is present in elastic cartilage. Elastic cartilage is characterized by the presence of elastic fiber, which are present in abundance and which branch and anastomose with each other. Here in elastic cartilage, the chondrocytes are larger as compared to those of hyaline cartilage. These chondrocytes are found in single or in two in a lacuna. In elastic cartilage, cells are closely packed as intercellular ground substance is much less than in hyaline cartilage. See, these are the chondrocytes in lacuna, and these are the elastic fiber. The cells are present singly or in a group of 2. This is a slide which is present in our department of elastic cartilage. Here you can see these are the cells which are present in a singly, and they are much larger in size as compared to those of hyaline cartilage. Okay. fibrocartilage. Perichondrium is absent in fibrocartilage. The fibrocartilage is also known as white fibrocartilage because it consists of thick bundle of collagen fibers. And histological structure of this fibrocartilage resembles dense regular connective tissue. You can confuse it with a section of a tendon. However, you can identify it because these chondrocytes, they are seen in between these collagen bundles. This is the chondrocytes. These are seen in between these fiber in a single or in narrow row. And these are the thick bundle of collagen fibers. This is an image of a slide. These are the thick bundle of collagen, and in between these bundle, these are the some chondrocyte. These are the chondrocytes. Okay. So here I am showing you the picture of all the slides of cartilage. These are the hyaline cartilage. This is a slide of trachea, in which you can see this is hyaline cartilage. This is a slide of elastic cartilage, and this is a slide of fibrocartilage. Thank you.